I've been saying, a lot of people is bashing her. A lot of people is saying, oh, she this and she that. But all of these people that are saying she's this and she's that, more of them people ever come up and come show me feeling pity we're missing. And she come and tell me who make a person.
Me pass one live last night, but by the fire you page, me and one lady come and bash the woman. Me said, Jesus Christ, oh my God Almighty, them man a mother. Them man a mother and grandmother too.
Anybody can tell her. Anybody can tell her. I have never supporting bashing her. I don't care because at the end of the day, see my, let me tell you something. See my mother here. See my mother in the chat here, and my mother lost her older son, which is my bigger brother, and me can't tell her how she feel, and she have two away left. She have me and TJ, and me can't tell her how she feel because that reef come out of her belly. So me no want nobody come bash nobody and tell her because listen, yeah, just imagine you have 7 picnic, 7 kids, you know, and you give one to the pooper, to the old nasty slimy grass-made pooper, and him family them, and that one gone missing. And you have 6, and you're going to tell us, say, you know what, at least if me not boil up little water and eat some salt and drink that water with that one there, me that still probably have him today. You can imagine. Listen, when me talk to the lady don't forgive herself. She said, me sorry, me son, me sorry. Me son, me too sorry. Me talk to her all the time. Me I tell her so me talk to her.
Them say to give away her child, right? We don't know the reason why to give away her child. We don't know if she don't have the money to feed the child. We don't know if
come here,
she can't pay the
Devil, come here. You sound like a man with come here, Devil. You sound like a man with knowledge. Come here, let me tell you something. You can't give a picnic to the father and a picnic giveaway. When you give away a picnic, give to stranger.
That is true. The father don't care about
so she never give her the picnic.
You don't like the father. And the father want to abuse him or beat him or what. Every day beat him, every day or what. She don't want to give it to the father. She give it to somebody who hey, look,
the twin sister of the father. The twin sister of the father. The twin sister of the father. Me and my little brother. Me and my little brother, we are not twin. Me and my little brother, we are not twin. I love my little brother like how I love myself. I love film pick them like how I love film them. The twin sister of the father. That father that want Grazmite, I'm going to beat him tomorrow. I'm going to beat the father tomorrow.
I want Grazmite that man, and that is true. That is true. I agree with you.
We as man now to beat the flipping father. Beat
him tomorrow. Him beat him tomorrow.
Beat the blow of Papa. I'm workless. Not the damn workless though, jellyback, batty boy. Beat the father.
Let me tell you something. Right now, Tommy.
Yeah, boss. Beat the father, yeah, boss.
Tommy, forget beating. The boy when he's Scott.
I had to him, man. I had to him. We understand. I had to him, man.
You know the boy named Gina Scott, him forget beating as well. Don't worry yourself, man. I bet box in the head as of tomorrow. Give me them a chance.
One of them going to forget beating because them are no man. Them are girl. Them are no man. And a girl them real man take care of youth. A boy picking that take care of the youth. Have some man money and take care of the youth. Hey, beat up him blow. Me come, hey, that's beat up him blow.
You see what I
say? Beat him, man.
One platform I go beat him now.
Beat him, man. We are going to beat him.
Surprise, me know you're a mother trumpet, you know. Beat up him blow.
And if Tiger beat him, me not have to beat him. Me not allow Tiger want to beat him. Me don't want his hand.
Yeah, man, we are going to tomorrow.
When time me hold on for the foot price, now if you grab some way for him.
I love when she talk. Hey, boy!
Let me tell you something. Alright. Watch and see when this amount run out and when we start do the coordinated strike them. We like when them bomb here and I bet we start get some justice. Right, Ben?
We can't lick him like how we are lick bumping bar, you know. You know, I see how them do bumping bar. Me fling it to you and you fling it to me and me fling it back to you and you fling it to me.
Yeah, man, that's baseball. I'll be a headshot them get. They know my style how my thing come down, man. I'll be a headshot them get.
Leave me alone. You're there, man. Why you leave me?
What?
I want to leave me.
No, right.
You want lava? You want lava?
Well, me a beat Mr. TC,
people run.
What? Mr. T can't escape him, man.
You see the principal, I don't know anybody listening. You see the principal talk? What me listen to him thing them, you say the principal know a lot more than him a let on. And
what?
Fame beating a go go.
The whole of we have to beat him.
Yeah, man,
Look here. Look here. Hey, Tiger.
Yeah.
The principal is like a. May I show you something imparable? The principal is like a tank, but not certain tank. Him is deep, and you have to go deep to overthrow him. Let me tell you. Me talk to you half a minute, man. Me tell you. Me tell you.
Yeah, man. Surprise it done. Surprise load up that man.
Yeah. It's when people come together, a power man. Me I tell you that. In thing him slick. Actually not even know.
Look on the power now. Look on the power now. Look on the power now. Listen. When we this organized now, we not talk about beat father, you know. I will not beg for the mother. This, you know. What we are say, on one side say the mother wicked. The father la. Look no. Your unity is strength, dog. We are man. When a man are the different, we can talk about that a man.
Yes.
Listen to the woman them. Listen to the woman them, dog.
Yes.
Listen to the woman them. Man,
yes, I agree. 100%.
You know, I'm shame as a man now. When the woman them come, make we unite now. I'm shame as a man.
Yes, because one man shame way. One man shame with that and Jayden'S father shame way. Shame and we have to talk.
We want to unite. We are within ourselves. How we are man.
Nah, man. A man call out the unity, man. We call out the man, call out the unity.
But no, the woman call unity now.
No, a man call it. A man planet man. A man planet man. Them just enhance it. But a man planet man. Listen, a month me a call out motto, you know. Months me a call out motto.
Yeah, man, me here, man. Me here. As me tell you, me here. As me tell you, me here. As me tell you, me here.
Motto, man. I call out motto months, car.
As me tell you, me here.
Yeah,
here,
man. Motto months, man. I just the time right, you know.
Tell them motto now. It's the motto now. When motto decides say, him no want to nobody can force him. Even me and my auntie can force him. Nobody can force him. You know what's time them auntie talk to him and say, Motto, make it right now. Motto say,
when me love, you know, brother. Me is a man with caring, you know. When me love, you know, brother. You understand? Yo, brother. Yo, me say, look here. Me run off a road one night and me can't come to the panel, come contact. And you know, say, if people them suspect me, look here. That's why me know, so when time people hide and do things, you know. Look here, I just know I want real talk. Me I go, you know, me run off a road, you know, a toy car wheel up on the main road I go along, you know. And me can't tired. And the people them suspect you and say, Mato, don't come on the life tonight. Cause you're tired. And you know, say two people. The thing I look at church, we don't know nothing about it. Yo, we search 2 hill. And when we search a hill, you know where we buck up on? Man a plant weed with some big holes and some man come to me and say, oh, no find yourself here, some man. And we say, I Jayden'S thing, you know. And the man them say, no man. We only see 2 cars did come near us one time and go back. And nothing like that, because we don't smell nothing stink. Enough things we do, we don't even come to the panel. So when time we say, as me say, make we keep it clean, keep the thing clean, our gun. You see, you will control the panel. You will control the panel and you have an angle. You better you dry and somebody down in the chat get cut. Don't allow nobody to come over there. Come tear down an next person. Don't do it.
Mato,
real.
the rest of my Mato, up to this morning, me done the meeting this morning. The rest of my mind, we need for take care of the mother, because right now, John was time, I can feel she go through now and feel how she operate now. We don't know she eat or what. I mean, she want doctor get a mental check or something and another and get a. I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say.
Devil. When me come out for the app, you know, when Angina misbehave, me call Angine, you know. A sister me call Angine. Listen, over 15 times me go visit Angine. The first time. Team Mato, my name Ken Roy. The first time I go check sister Angine. I shop for Angine like I'm a girlfriend, you know, brother. I'll serial me pick up, you know. So that me understand what family is. Me understand what a girl is. Me understand what a woman is because me passionate, me a family man. Me understand. But I know me want to understand, you understand too. I just the public getting a woman ears and derail the woman. Unity and strength.
Of my family. Listen up, on behalf of my family and on behalf of we over here, so may I beg you please see if I can check on her in the week here and see how she operate. Please, may I beg you, Mato. Please.
All right.
Just do it.
All right. A woman for come back, man. A woman know, man.
I see how God work out things and God turn it around. But I remember, pray for it before you go. Pray and read Psalm 91 before you go. Because God is going to work out things. Just don't go God work out things right here. God will work out it with you and her. Because she just need love. She need love and she need a hug. Yo, John was
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Mama.
Let me say,
Good evening.
I think one somebody supposed to. I think one somebody should have talked to her. One person. You understand? Because if every different person go to her, she gonna get confused. I think if you
because people corrupt. That's so true. Because people corrupt.
Yeah, you say to that person and the person they go to her, just each and everyone to call her and say who she more comfortable with, and I wonder where she comfortable with them kind of.
But as with Darrell, as with Devil say, give her some time. To the end of the day, truth will take its course. Love will take its course. Love has something when not puffed up. You understand? The end of the day, reality is reality. Give her some time. And she will come back around. I just say it.
Hear my suggestion. Me I go give one little piece of suggestion. Nobody know to take it. The person who is going to talk to Andreen is somebody who never talked to Andreen before.
Yeah, but somebody is talking to Andreen.
All right, so that person you talk to Andreen will know.
You want me go talk to her then instead of Mato?
Yeah, what me I say is, Derval, I have someone who is in constant communication with Andreen.
Me
I have a suggestion. Make Mato go talk to her because Mato used to her.
Mato can talk to her. The two of them have a history, so
can talk to her anytime, man. That is true. Anytime, night or day.
If the two of them can, yeah.
They are wait. They are at loggerheads. Come on. They are at loggerheads. Oh, no one is starting out.
Listen, guys. Wait.
Let me finish.
Price has said something. Oh no, listen what Price has said. No, we have to respect that. Make Price say something.
They are at loggerheads. Let somebody go there, neutralize the situation between she and Moto. Neutralize it, then Moto can go in with it. Himself. Just
people, we don't listen now. We don't listen what me I say to you guys. Me say me are not good. That's why I should tell the pastor say she want to talk to me. But because of the situation before, I did not reach out back to her because me not like the thing when me are running and me say me are is good. Me is good. Okay. Come here, come here. Let me show you say me are good. Look, up, see her. Me is good.
Me never done this for true. Somebody coming to help her and see they can someone give me Jayden's mother number. I want to help her with a little. Somebody reach out to that person. Yeah,
that's a pastor lady who me send from all over. Go down and go look for her. That's her.